Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we continue our video series about variations in standard and Latin dances. You want interesting and attractive dance routines from figures which are described in technique books? Don't miss this video series and enjoy sound technical demonstration by Edgars Linis and Eliza Ancane, our current Latvian champions in standard dances and also former Latvian 10-dance champions in youth group. And we start with part A of Tango routine number 6, which is 5-step open natural turn and outside spin. You can dance this part of routine separately or use it together with whole routine. We will do 5-step with strong turn to left, quick, 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 slow. Now open natural turn, slow, quick, quick, slow, and we continue with outside spin without pivot on 3rd step. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Man starts with left foot, forward to side, back in CBMP, back, tap to side to promenade, to side in promenade, forward in promenade, to side, back, pivot on left foot, step forward outside partner and to side. Lady starts with right foot, back, to side, forward outside partner, forward, tap to side in promenade, to side in promenade, forward in promenade, forward, forward, forward outside partner, close, forward. Now let's look at different alternative timing versions for 5-step. In restricted syllabus we can choose different timing versions, like slow and slow and slow, or slow and quick, quick, slow. Now let's look what Edgars and Eliza will choose. And slow and quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at part B of Tango routine 6, which is rock on right foot, back Corte with open ending, then outside swivel and steps 2 to 4 of closed promenade. Again, you can do this part of routine separately. We do a rock on right foot, then back Corte with open ending, outside swivel and closed promenade ending. And quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Man starts with right foot, back in CBMP, forward, back in CBMP, to side, then back, to side, forward, outside partner, back and tap across in promenade, forward in promenade, to side, close. Lady starts with left foot, forward in CBMP, back, forward in CBMP, forward, then forward to side, back in CBMP, forward and swivel to promenade position, forward in promenade to side, close. And now let's put together Tango routine number 6 with teaching count. Slow and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now there is possibility to change outside spin action to twist action. So outside spin means we do small step with left foot back and pivot, forward outside partner and step to side. Now this version is twist on both feet and then step to side. So I suggest outside spin version, step back pivot, forward outside partner and step to side. Slow and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And please consider also you to join us on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn more personally from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.